Daddy. Campaign. Look at cookie. Come on. Let's go, Cookie.
All right. We are on the spot when we continue in this short adventure.
Cookie.
All right, with Noah, Dominic, right?
Yep.
And
Cookie.
Cookie. All right, folks.
Cookie,
All right, stay tuned. Stay right here. Don't go away. It's gonna be, I don't know how it's gonna be. Let's see how it's gonna be, and let me know what do you think how it was. All right, folks, stay here.
Look, Daddy, I'll look for the fire.
Wood for fire, good. You gotta keep it up. We gotta get some more here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, take it right there on the bike.
I'll put it right there.
Put it next to the bike, not on the top, but just next to the bike. Go ahead. Come this way, Noah. At this point, we have to offload the bike and keep going ahead on foot. So Noah, we gotta take a hike, inside this short forest. Come, Noah, you take the camel back. All right, there you go, son. All right, take your time. All right, we're gonna fix it. Let me hold the camera here. What do you say?
Get the fire.
Okay. Come on, I need some rocks right there. Right there.
I get it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Get it. Bring it here. Don't try so hard. Be careful, Cookie. He's just dropping it. Carefully. Watch your Cookie. Cookie, move away. Put it there. Next rock. Want some pollita? All right, folks, we set the camp. We are here in this beautiful nature, hammock. Noah eating pollita, which is made chicken breast. How that tastes?
Yeah, it's delicious.
And the pepperoni.
Yeah, that's
awesome. I'm eating some beef stews here with onion. Everything's ready, done, ready. And we are here in the small waterfall of Trilha do Chupacabra. I post a video already here in this place, so I'm gonna leave the link here just in case you haven't seen it, guys. Take care of the natural environment.
Take care of the nature of the environment.
Yeah, and don't throw garbage, right? And take care, okay?
Take care, okay?
All right, you heard that, folks. Next thing I want to say, short story about this new member of the Aventuras here, hopefully. You know, she found me actually. She went to the place where I work in, right in the city, and she went like for help. When I say for help, because she was very dirty and bad odor, and you know what? And I'm saying to myself, you know, let me help her. I clean her up. I take her home, give her some shower. You know, she have some ticks, and well, so far so good. They have some few days here with me, and if the owner coming and pick her up, you know, well, just go and take her, because I mean, whatever the universe and God say, you know, I think she wants to stay with us. All right, folks. I hope you enjoy the full adventure and all the shots. Until the next time, don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And hit that bell button.
And hit the bell button.
To stay tuned.
Stay
tuned for the new video coming
for
ahead.
the new video coming ahead.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Now let's walk here. But not running. Jesus Christ, this puppy's crazy. Running like a Lightning McQueen.